Welcome guys. Today I want to teach us subtraction in base 2. How do you subtract in base 2? Now this is base 2, 101 base 2 minus, so we are subtracting this. If you minus 101 1 so we are doing subtraction on this mass. So now what do you do? Now 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So anything you are doing in base 2, it should not be more than 2. It should not be higher than 2. The number should not be higher than 2. Like for example, you have 3. Your base 2 should not be higher than 3. It should not be higher than 4. Everything should be on the level of base 2. So that is why 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So 0 minus 1, you cannot go. We are going to borrow from this place and add it here. So if we are borrowing from here, because we are dealing with base 2, whatever you borrow from here will become 2. So if you borrow from here, here will be 2, and here will remain what? 0. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So 0 minus this is 0. So this is our final answer. So guys, I'll give us another example. Example 2. If you have something like this, 1, 1, 0 in base 2 minus 1, 0, 1 base 2. What's the answer to this question? Now 0 minus 1, you cannot borrow, you cannot go, so you have to borrow from here. Whatever you are taking from here to this place become 2, because we are dealing with base 2. So if you remove from here, here is 0, and here will become 2. 2 minus 1 will give us what? 1. 0 minus 0 will give us 0. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So our answer is base 2. This is our final answer. So guys, I want you to use this same method to solve this for me. One, 1 minus 1, 0, 0. What's the answer to this? Drop your answer in the comment section. Please like this video, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching.